we're going to cook the chicken KABSA with cauliflower. We have tomato, onion, ginger, tomato paste, rice, chicken, raisins, pepper, salt, and chili powder. So we are going to saute with butter all the ingredients. That's real. And then all the ingredients are already mixed. And then this is the time we'll put the chicken. Salt and pepper. Then the tomato paste. Then put water. So like for example, you have 6 glasses of rice. Then we'll put the water is 6.5. 6 glasses and a half. And then wait until boil. Then put the washed rice. We're going to wash the rice. Then cover it until it's done. And that's it. We have chicken KABSA with cauliflower. Thank you for watching, guys.